the world, data science is one of the fastest growing industries as more companies embrace the possibilities that artificial intelligence presents. The Mazars Data School was born as a vision to take unemployed graduates enrolled in the YES program and train them to become data analysts and data scientists. The diverse nature of Mazars allows these candidates to not only become data analysts and data scientists, but give them experience to become accountants, auditors, and financial professionals. The primary objective of the program is ultimately Mazars' commitment to improving the lives of our South African youth and help to build our communities. This is done through the development of these young individuals who, without job experience, struggle to find a job in the open market.
The goal of the program is to empower these students with the skills to function as data analysts and data scientists, which will allow them the opportunity to obtain employment in almost any industry they wish to work in. The students will be trained to function as data scientists and data analysts, and during their period at Mazars will be given an opportunity to work within a vast array of service lines at Mazars. And these include internal audit, IT audit, corporate finance, taxation, and external auditing. Since the training takes place within an audit firm environment, the initial training provided to the trainees is to allow them to obtain an understanding of key accounting and auditing concepts. They then progress to obtain training within the IT audit, data science, and data analytics environments. Data analysts receive training in Microsoft SQL, Power BI, and Azure, whilst the data scientists receive training in Python, Azure, Microsoft SQL, and Kafka, to name a few. These training courses are coupled together with examinations which are provided by Microsoft, which will allow the candidates at the end of their training program to obtain Microsoft certified qualifications. The future of these candidates is boundless. Where possible, these candidates will be placed within the IT audit division or any other division or branch within Mazars where the appetite for these students are high. Should the student not be placed anywhere within the Mazars professional network, we are confident that the training courses provided to them will stand them in good stead to obtain future employment, as well as provide them with a competitive edge within the job market.
Candidates can apply to the program during any time of the year by either applying online or forwarding their CV to our HR department. We then conduct an assessment of the candidates, and the selected ones are then contacted. The formal interview process takes place during October, November, and early December. The program is 1 year in duration, with the start date being the 1st of January. Applications for the program open in September, and interviews take place until latest the middle of November. Students that have studied a course in mathematics, information technology, informatics, financial accounting, and/or auditing, whether at school or at a higher level institution. Any applicant applying for the program needs to ensure that they were not registered previously on a YES program, as they will be disqualified, and I encourage any young person who qualifies to apply as soon as they can.